The playbook for growing a local business online is simple. Capture new leads, conversationally convert those leads into sales, turn those customers into positive reviews, and then reactivate those customers into repeat buyers. That's exactly what our platform does. In order to consistently generate new leads, you first need to be valid. The quickest way to get search engines and AI to recommend your business is by having a steady flow of positive reviews. With our platform, you can drive more traffic and stand apart from your local competition by easily collecting new customer reviews, text messages, Facebook Messenger, and even WhatsApp. But getting found is only the beginning. Most customers choose the first business dev response. So unless you answer every call and start conversations with potential customers almost instantly, they'll go somewhere else. Step number one is to have our voice AI ensure you never miss another call. Your agent will pick up when you can't, answer questions, and even book appointments natively. Step two is to add our chat widget to your website, allowing your potential customers to start conversations by clicking a button, connecting you instantly through live chat, text message, WhatsApp, Messenger, or even Instagram DMs. So the conversation doesn't end when they leave your website. And we bring all your leads, no matter where they come from, into a single conversation stream that supports text, email, video messaging, Google Business Chats, and even Facebook and Instagram DMs, so you can respond faster and more efficiently than ever. Speed to lead is everything. And our conversation AI will make sure every lead gets instant follow up, answering frequently asked questions and booking appointments right within the conversation. When it comes to turning all those conversations into customers, we make getting estimates approved, agreements signed, and collecting payments just into the convenient part of the conversation. So you get paid faster no matter how they prefer to pay. Next, you'll want to turn your new customers into happy reviews, which is a snap with our review request quick actions. And as the reviews pour in, our AI review reply agent can automatically reply to each review in your voice, earning you more visibility by showing search engines and AI recommendations that you're an engaged business. The more conversations and customers you generate, the easier it becomes to drive repeat business. We make reactivating contacts into customers as easy as, yep, you guessed it, the push of a button with bulk actions. You can send out text, email, WhatsApp, and Facebook Messenger campaigns to generate new sales whenever you have a new update, promotion, or story to tell. We make modern online marketing simple. Start growing your business today.